Hi there, it's Brenda Knoll. For those who do not know what Inktober is about, this fellow, Jake Parker, created Inktober in 2009 as a challenge to improve his inking skills and develop positive drawing habits. So it's since grown into a worldwide endeavor with thousands of artists taking on the challenge every year. There is an official prompt list. Some artists stick with it, and others, like myself, do what they want, baby. So the point of Inktober is to work on and build drawing and inking skills, but it has the side benefits of artistic self-discovery, creative expression, and personal success. So I decided to participate in Inktober 2019, but I quickly realized that I'm always working on my drawing and inking skills because of my art and design aesthetics. So instead, I decided to use Inktober 2019 as a challenge to work on my video production skills, to better produce video content for my Skillshare classes and my YouTube channel, which, by the way, I have 15 followers on YouTube now. Woohoo, right? So my 2019 goal was ambitious, one video production a day, and I learned so much, especially how insanely time consuming and challenging editing videos are. I'm better in that I can produce them, but every day, not yet. I think at the end of Inktober 2019, I had produced 18 videos. I know, right? Those are on my YouTube channel, so you can check them out. The link's in my bio if you're watching this on Instagram. I try to tag everything with Brenda Knoll, so you can search Brenda Knoll, Knoll. They're not really that great to look at, but I did it. So this Inktober 2020, I'm working on three things. Number one, I want to create art every day. Number two, I want to learn how to use social media, starting with Instagram, posting daily through the month of October. And I've already started on that because it's challenging. And I want to work on my video production skills again. So they're not where I want them to be, but they are not where they used to be, and I know exactly where they are going. I don't think I'll do one a day, but maybe one every 3 days. We'll see, right? One a day is pretty challenging. So my goal is to complete the three things above daily. This is a huge challenge for me, so I'm starting early, and I have been preparing for Inktober 2020 by number one, I know, right? Because I'm an artist, right? I made clear gesso and texture medium. Creative, right? So you can Google DIY clear gesso and texture paste, and you can figure out how to make it too. And I purchased a new bottle of Higgins Black Magic ink, which I won't go into too much detail on the ink because I'll get into more detail on that as we move closer to Inktober. Number two, I am posting this story on Instagram and YouTube and etc. And I'm letting folks know what I'm doing and why, and encourage other artists to use Inktober 2020 to work on their challenges. And also, so you don't feel like, why is this girl always in front of me? Well, so number three, I'm working on the lighting and the audio production capabilities in my studio. My husband's helping me out with that. I'm hoping to have some problems solved by Inktober, which is pretty ambitious in itself, I know. But one problem I've solved already is that I can now use my laptop to monitor what my camera is recording as it's recording, right? Because in the past, I would be doing a class or recording, well, mostly my classes, and I would be like, hold on a second, and I'd have to edit all this out after that, but then I'd have to jump on a chair, look down on the camera, make sure everything's still working right, make sure everything's going right, because the worst thing is when it cuts off halfway through and you have to keep doing it. We don't want that, right? So now I'll be able to set my laptop off, just off camera, and see exactly what's going on with my video recording. And so how cool is that, right? So that's taken care of. That's problem solved. So the last thing is I probably will not use the official Inktober prompt list. I will probably use a variety of prompt lists and create according to the prompt list I feel like that day. And I'm going to be, so because of that, I'll be participating in several Inktober/October art challenges, but I'm not going to be tied to anything because I do what I want, right? So hey, Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please support my art and like, share, follow, etc., etc. All those things that you do cost you nothing, but it means a lot on the internet. Thanks. I'll talk to you later. Bye.